Hey guys, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we're unboxing the Flair Pro 2. The Flair Pro 2 is one of the most travel-friendly options on the market. We love the fact that it comes in a padded carrying case with a handle so you can take it on the go wherever, and the fact that it's just a really quality, sturdy, solid design. The brew basket and brew chamber are both made out of steel, and most of the other parts, all the way down to the removable two-part drip tray, are made of metal. The drip tray makes for a really easy cleanup as well. We also like the fact that it has a pressure gauge that's coated in silicone. That way you can pull consistent shots without, by basing it based on numbers rather than feel. And lastly, we love its little bitty tamper that fits perfectly in its 46mm brew basket. Here at Prima, we love the Flair Pro 2 because it's a quality machine that makes consistently good espresso without breaking the bank, while also giving the option of making espresso on the go. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about the Flair Pro 2, just drop them in the comments. And if you'd like to learn more details about it, you can find it online at primacoffee.com, and I'll see you guys next time.